Hello guys, welcome to 3D Home, and in today's tutorial we're doing something very amazing. Okay, very amazing. Let me take off this glass. I think that's too dark. Let me remove the glass so I can be seeing your face clearly. So I got some comments on where people suggested that we should work on complete projects. Okay, like let's take 2 bedroom, model it to finish, 3 bedroom, like duplex and the rest. So I think it's time we start that. All right. So let's dive in without wasting much of your time. So I did the rough sketch. There's this existing building. I did a rough sketch in AutoCAD. So we're going to AutoCAD now. Bring out the plan here, and then from here now we can continue. So let's proceed. All right, so this is a sketch. And for some of us that are using AutoCAD, once you come to your, this is actually my workspace. Once you open that your file, okay, highlight, let me show you the simplest way of highlight everything, okay, press W on keyboard and press enter. So here, make sure it's on millimeters, all right, make sure it's on millimeters and then click OK. Don't forget to know where the location is. So this is document, okay? Under document, the name is new block. So I'll click OK and then I'll replace the existing block. Alright. Now let's quickly do something. I'm going to close this one. Okay. Let me say first. I'm going to close this one. And once I close this one, I would open that particular file. Okay. It's under document, and under document you see new block here. So this is the new block. I'll click on the new block. For some of us that are using AutoCAD, okay, you need to know this one too. And if you're not using AutoCAD, sorry for the delay, okay, but we're heading somewhere. All right, so from here now I'm going to save this as a new file, and then I'll change the AutoCAD. Instead of 18, I'll make it 27. Right, 27. Let me change the name. Class. Let me just write it class. And I'm saving this on our desktop. Okay, so I'll save. Okay. Now let's close this one too. If you check, okay, we're looking for class now. So this is class here. So what will happen now is I'll just click on this one, drag it down to this Archicad, and then paste it here. It's on millimeters. Yes, please. So this is it. Simple. No wasting of time. Alright, so now bring this one here and let's do settings. Okay, the first thing I do is I consider the height of the DPC. Okay, then that's the next thing I will have to set. Okay, the height of the DPC, I want it to be 900 because I need like six steps here based on the building. Okay, 6 steps here. So I'll just click on south elevation. From south elevation, I'll change this one, which is this. Okay, and then I'll just press on control and then I'll hold down control and tap on 7. So this height now, instead of 600, I'll change it to 900. Okay, 900. If you check 150 times 6, you'll see that it's going to give us 900. Okay, control 7. Okay, for the roof height, the headroom is 3,300. Let's just make it 3,000. Okay, since it's not a story building, I think the height is okay like that. 3,000. Yeah, it's cool. So now we can now proceed. Okay, but okay. Yeah, it's on ground level. Okay, if you click on second story, you're going to see this one now. Okay, you're seeing this already. What do we have down here? Okay. So now on the ground level, we're going to commence on the ground level. Okay, so on the ground level, the wall thickness is 225. Okay, so click on your wall, go to all settings, and I love using white color wall. Okay, white color. So since we are going to be making use of, since the DPC is going to be different, let's make the DPC different color. So this is the thickness 225, and let's use something dark for the downside. I don't want to use, let's use gray. Um, this is light gray. We have dark gray here. Light gray. Okay, let's go with light gray. Let's go with light gray. I really wish I could see dark gray. I don't really want to take much of your time. Okay. Okay, let's just go with the dark gray. All right. So dark gray, I'll match everything because I want everything to be the same thing. And then I'll click on OK. So now let's trace out our walls. Okay. Note, you need to check something. Under reference line, there's outline. If you want the line to be center to center, this is center, this is inside. So we're using outside for now. Okay, so let's pick the first point and see. Okay, so this is the outside. Once you're taking this thing down or left, it's going to be outside. But if you're taking it to the right, it's going to be inside. Okay, let me do that again. If I click on this point, if I take my cursor to the left, the thicker line is going to be outside. But if I take it to the right, the thicker line is going to be inside. So that means what we're modeling is we're going to either left or down, not up, left or down. Okay, so we'll go down now. All right, I hope you're following. Okay, so left, we'll continue left. Hold down shift to get this point. Click there, pick the same point. So, all right, let's take it here. Yeah, let's just take everything together. All right, we can trim that later to this point. Alright, I think I need to be a bit fast because I believe you already know this tracing. Don't forget left, okay, or down. If we go up now, we're going to see that, yeah, the line is right now, okay. It's still like kind of left, okay, still left. Okay. So now we are clicking the right side of this line. So it's going to be on the right side. Alright, so now left. We're moving left. Same thing, click here, move left. Right, the upline is outside, so click here, move left. Click here, move left. So if you click here and move right, the line is going to be up. The wall is going to be up rather. For instance, if I we've already done this one. Alright. Yeah. For instance, if I click this one and move right, it's going to be the wall is going to be outside our parameters, our wall parameter. So I'm just going to click there, move it to the left side. Alright, then down to this side, and I'll click here, take it left. Same thing here, up, here, left. Okay, here, up, here, left, here, up. Okay, so what else do we have? Alright, it's remaining this one. Don't forget here, take it right to left, right to left. Okay, since we are not really modeling the inside, so I would since we're not working on interior, so you can just split some of these walls where there's opening so that we can see what we're doing. Okay, we've done already from this one, and I think there's one here. Okay, so let's just take this one from, don't forget left, our wall, take this one down. Let's do that again. Okay, since we're not modeling inside, we need to be seeing where these ones are, and if I want to generate a floor plan with this, where these arcs are, I can just use lines. So under document, there's line here, select line. We'll pick this one from here to this point, this one from here to this point. Sorry, so this one from here to this point, from here to this point, this one to this point, and Okay, so we can easily do all these ones if we were to generate the floor plan. Okay, there's remaining one wall now. So under design, still select your wall and click OK. So I think we have the wall now. Let's check our 3D to see how far we've done. So this is our DPC level. I just hope you're following. Okay. So the next thing now I would say let's move to the main wall. Okay, the main wall. Let's move to the main wall. So we do that by you can do that by doing two things. Either you retrace this one on first floor. Okay, you can see those lines already on first floor, or you just copy everything and paste it up. Okay, but I know some of you this reference you're seeing is not showing. Okay, you'll be like, how come your on your second floor you can see some of the trays, okay, some of the references of your ground floor. Now this is the ground floor where the walls are. But if you click on first floor, you are still seeing the trace of those walls. Okay, don't worry, I got you. Okay, so click on Windows if yours is not showing. Okay, click on Windows and then under Windows go down to Palette. Alright, so under palette, move your cursor down. You see trace and reference. So this is trace and reference. Click on trace and reference. So this is the trace and reference. It's on, that's why this thing is showing. If it's off, if I click on this thing, it's off. You can't see anything. Once I click on it and it's on, you can see. So and if you don't like the color, you can easily change the color. You can use maybe red or something, or maybe green. Yeah, I like calm color, so for this one, so that's why it's like this. All right, so if you don't have anywhere to drop it, I don't want to choke this space, you can just close it. If you need it, you bring it out. All right, so that's about that one. So now I said there are two ways of getting drawing your wall. Since we are done with the DPC, I want to proceed to the next one. So I would just say let's go to first floor. Instead of retracing this wall, I'll click on ground floor. Okay, copy all these walls you're seeing. I'll copy this wall. Click on shift, remove the plan. Okay, control C, that's copy. And then I'll click outside, then click on first floor, first story, and control V, that's paste. It's showing if I should align it to the existing one. I'll just click outside to say yes. Okay, so if you check you see that the color is still the same though. If you check here now, you can see we have almost the same color. Yeah, so what will happen now is I'll click on that first floor, I'll highlight all these ones. Okay, then I'll go inside my setting dialog and change the color to white glossy, and click OK. So if you check your 3D now, you can see we have two colors. I hope you're following and I hope you're enjoying the tutorial. All right, so the next thing is, okay, what should we do next? Let's work on the columns. Okay, let's work on the column. That will guide us to, that's the openings. That will guide us to how to work on our arc. Okay, so now let's use slab for this. That's under ground floor. Let's use slab for it. Okay, but before then, go into settings. Let's make sure that everything is well set. Click on this one, the thickness. Whatever the thickness, we raise it up to what we want. And the material, let's change it to tiles. Okay, let's change it to tiles. Let's say light brown. Okay, so I drawing from here. Let's make it rectangular. So from here to here, and down from here to here. Or we can just copy this one. Okay, you can copy it, tap control, then drop it here. Let's be sure that they're all the same. So now check your 3D. This particular one I'll be working on it on our 3D. So you click on this one, hold down this node. There's something called known as stretch height. So we can now stretch the height to what we want. Let's say 2000, yeah. And then this other one, same thing, 2000. Make sure you select this stretch, okay? 2000. Okay. all right. So this thing need to come out a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. It's too inside. Yeah. So still on the ground floor, we can easily shift this one outside. Yeah. And then we can shift this one to outside. Let's see. Make it to align like this. If it doesn't work, just remove this one, hold this one, move it to the under drag, make sure it's under drag. Tap control, move it to the right. Since the sides are aligned, and click there. Okay, if you check your 3D now, you can see that a bit showing, right? Yep, 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 yep. So it's remaining our opening now. Let's create an arc here. Okay, let's create an arc here. From south elevation. Okay, from south elevation you can do that. This thing is looking wide. Okay. From south elevation you can do that. But before then, let's just create the arc first. Now click on this building, this wall. Let's make use of, sorry if my video is covering this part, okay, but let's click on this under the opening, open tool. It's supposed to be an arrow here. Why is it not showing? Okay, south elevation. Let's see. Okay, you can still do it this way. Normally you're supposed to show, so we'll select which one we want to work with. 300 by 300. Okay, let's just click it here. We'll do the adjustment later. Okay, now let's see. So from here now we can drag this one. If you click on that opening, hold the blue line, let's stretch edge. Let's bring it here. Let's take this one inside to this side. I don't actually want to use opening, that wall empty space, because it might affect any other design that's going to come up here. Okay, so that's why I'm making use of this one. I think we need to lift this building a little more bit, yeah. So this is looking down. Let's make it let's make the building, the heights, let's make the heights, just press on Ctrl 7. Let's, instead of 3000, let's make it 3300. Okay, yeah, 3300. I think the beauty is coming out now. 3300. And then now let's not forget with our, I just want us to work on the openings first before we insert doors and the rest. Okay, so we still need that same opening here. We need that same opening here. Okay, we need it here. So select the opening, paste here, hold it, click on it, hold the blue part, stretch. No, you need to hold it well. Hold this blue part here, stretch and align with this one. Take this one down to this point, and then okay, and then take this one inward a little bit. Now we're going to align this other wall. Yeah, we're going to align the wall with this particular wall here. Okay, this wall here. So you can see we are coming up. Yeah, we are coming up. Let's not forget to, okay, let's just finish the opening first. So there's remaining one this side. Any need of, no, let's leave it like this. It's cool. It's cool this way. So we have one here, here is the entrance. So let's since this part will not be showing, let's just create a little slab here. Okay, so click on slab tool, and the thickness 50, let's just make it 10. Let's see. And let's pick from here to here. Now we can now take this part, use stretch offset edge, align this part. You can see that one now is done. And for the material, if you don't want to use these styles, let's quickly change it to something else. Now let's do something like that. Okay, so this is the material, but there's something on the floor plan that we need to consider. Okay, you see that on the ground here, look at it here. You can see it here on the ground floor. You can still see it here on the ground floor. Let's see ground floor. This is it. So we need to consider these two. Okay, so we're making use of the same slab tool, and for the material we're using this time around, we're using that dark gray, light gray rather. So click there, and we click from here to here, and then also from here to here. Now let's check our 3D. We're going to raise this one up to this level. This is our flower pot actually. It's still under this stretch height, okay? It's still under stretch height. That's why you can see that it's moving up. If yours is not on stretch height, make sure you select stretch height, okay? Let's click on this one, take it up to this point, and click. Our building is coming up. Okay. So now let's do something. So we're making something very amazing. So I'm working on the openings now because I believe inserting of doors will not take much of our time like that. Okay, so let's work on these ones first that are a bit sensitive. So same slab tool, okay, same slab tool, but this time around this one the color is going to be white. So you see how far you can go with slab tool only. Okay, slab tool, this one, slab tool, this one, slab tool, this one, slab tool. So let's pick this same one from here to here. If it doesn't align, don't worry, you can actually pick here. Let's give this one the height, let's make it 10. The thickness, this should be 50. Okay, 50, and this one too, let's give it 50. Okay, you can see it's outside now. So hold on this part and align it. Okay, align this, and then while using that same slab tool, while making sure that this one is highlighted, still click on slab tool, and let's draw something. Okay, we need opening, for your flowers. Okay, for flowers. Yeah, for flowers. So our offset now for this one, let's give it 50 offset, outside 50, this side to 50. There's no need for the inside one because it's not really necessary. Yeah, this building is going to be fine. All right, it's actually 3 bedroom. Someone suggested we model something like a full project, and that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so let's pick this one, or let's just create something. Is there a way we can move this without yeah, we can do it actually. Let's pick from here. Let's pick from here, but click on drag. All right, tap Control to activate a copy of it, and click here. This time around we still need to click 50 on this one. 50. All right, and to be sure that we're getting it right, okay, I would advise that we take this one back to 0 point, is here. Okay, and then let's take this one back a little bit, yeah, inside. So now we can start. This one also need to come inside because we didn't offset the inside but you can see it's already inside. So yeah, we didn't offset the inside, but it's already inside. So now you can see that we need to click on this one now, then bring it out by 50, this one too by 50, and then this other side too by 50. So that one now is done. Okay, is done. Yeah, it's done. Let's quickly model steps. Okay, let's quickly model steps. So we will making use of same slab tool. I want to show you how far we can go with slab tool. Okay, how far we can go with slab tool. Okay, how far we can go with slab tool. So notice this thing is going to be helpful. You see that I selected the slab tool. Then immediately I selected the slab tool, I click here, I clicked here, then drag this one to this other side. I make sure I got the length of this piece. And then if you check the dimension, you see the first one is width, while the other one is the length. Okay, so the first one is already showing 4,800 and something, while this other one is showing 300 and something. So I'll only tap, I'll click on tap again to move to the down dimension. Then I'll type 300 for the step. Okay, 300 for the step. And then now this one, I'll raise it up to instead of 900, first one, make sure that this first one is 150. Make sure the first one is 150. Okay, make sure it's 150 and it's on 0. It's on 0. So now look, let's make it 150 first, so that you come up from the ground. Yep, 150 like this. Okay, so now copy this other one, move this one to move this one up. So let's take this one to 750. Sorry, 750, not 60, 750. How I got this 750? Get the total height of that slab, okay, of the DPC, and then minus the first step to give you these ones, okay. So now once I get this one, and I make sure that this one is on 150, so I'll just click on this one, pick this point, okay, pick this point, then click on drag, select drag. So I'll pasting it here now. I forgot to click on control. Okay, so once you click on drag, make sure you tap control once to copy, to have a copy of it. Okay, so I'll keep doing that. I'll just click on this point, tap control, and then I'll click down, click on this one, tap control. Anything simple method, that's what I'm searching for you guys. So now you can see that we have that same thing instead of calculating and calculating. So this is the simplest way of achieving this. Okay, achieving this. And all right. Okay, so I think we are cool with this one. Okay, I think we are cool with this one. And so now what next can we do? Let's proceed with our windows. First of all, let's check the front, the south elevation. So the south elevation, and you click on M, you have a measuring tape. So let's check from here to here. So 2,300, and alright, it's cool. It's cool. So let's check the front, our ground floor. So the next thing, let's start working on, let me remove this one inside. Let's start working on our windows. Though there's need for us to have an opening at the back too, so that means we need to do that one first. Okay, there's need of doing that, there's need of doing that, doing that. Let's work on that one first. Okay, so there's an opening here, there's an opening here. Okay, but this time around I think we'll just be copying, we'll copy this column from here. Let's copy it under drag, tap control, bring it down to this point, and then let's check our 3D. from here now, the same way we did with the other opening. So select this opening, paste it here. Opening, this is the opening. Click on the opening and paste it here. So now click on that particular opening and hold the blue line. Make sure you click on the blue line, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, and select offset edge. Now you can drag this one inward, drag this one. The blue line, that's what you must click on after selecting the slab on the wall and be the opening. So now the opening order. So now let's align it with this other one. Okay, yeah, and then let's take this one down to DPC, then take this one down to this point. This is how big this porch is. So the same thing this other way. Let's same thing, opening. From opening, click here. All right, select this one, bring this one in. No, make sure you click and click on the blue line. That's the only way you can stretch it. Blue line, and then take this one up. Let's align with this one, and then let's take this one back to here. Bring this one down to here. Okay, so you can see we have another opening at the back side. But there's need for slab at this back. There's need for slab, and we can do that by clicking on this one. All right, this is the name. Let me go there so you see the name. Pick up parameters. Okay, then once you click on pick up parameters, click this slab. It will give you an opportunity to replicate what you just did there. Okay, so we are going to select. We're going to select here, and then we'll bring it down to this side. All right, so you can see we have the same thing. Now, before any other thing, I would say let's work on the windows and doors first. Okay, windows and doors first. Windows and doors first. So now, this front, okay, feel like we need to lift this front a bit higher so that everything will show up. So this one, let's take it a bit higher, let's say to this level. Okay, to this level, probably the approach view, and for us to be able to align this one, we need to drag this one. Yeah, we need to come to our 3D. From 3D now, you can now click. Okay, so I think we have this one now. All right, the next thing again, which is very important, let's first of all insert our windows. Okay, insert our windows. From here, based on the existing video, from here we have a long a very big glass window here, like kind of like what's it called again, kind of curtain wall. Not really curtain wall, it's like a fixed glass though, because this is the dining area slash this is the living room slash dining. Okay, so this place is actually big. So let's start with this one. Okay, so now click on windows. Click on windows. Once you click on window, go to setting dialogs. Now we can select the window we are looking for. So let's work with this one. I think this one is cool based on what was there. So let's work with this one. So select this and let's see basic window settings. Okay. All right, this is fine. And okay, let's first of all get the size. Okay, let's get the size first. After the size, then we can work on the other things. So this one should be okay. This one should be let's make it, let's say 2000 by 18. From ground 500 is much. Let's say 450, that's 2 block. Okay, Now, okay, let's see how big it's going to be. It's not really that big. Ah, that means we need to expand it again. Let's check. Sorry, not from ground level. This should come on. It should come on first floor, first story. Okay, first story. So we've done the setting already. So just click on the window and click inside. Now let's check our 3D. That's the window. We need to expand this window again, like again. Okay, like again. So click on the window. Let's change it instead of 2000. Let's make it 3000. Right? By 1.8. 1.8 is still small. 3000 by 1.8. By 1.8. Let's see by 2000. By 2000. Some of you, if while inserting this window, you will notice that yours doesn't have this. Yeah, yours doesn't have this casing. Okay, this casing. Yours doesn't have it. And if you really want to know how I did this, let me just stick quickly there so that I'll show you how I did this. Though I've made a tutorial on that already. So let me just quickly, brush through. Once you come to your window settings, okay, under your window, this basic window settings, click here. You will see fixture. Under fixture and settings, you will see casing, outside casing. Once you click on this outside casing, this is where you can set the thickness. And yeah, this is where you can set the thickness. And for the color, come up. Let's see if you want to change the glass color and those lines you're seeing. Just come up to um, this model attribute. Under model attribute, this is the glass. You can change the glass to normal blue glass. And all these ones are showing with outside frame. Let's change it to, it's already showing white. Frame outside, wood pink. Let's change it to metal iron. Wood frame inside. Let's just make it metal iron. And sash, metal iron. Inside sash, metal iron. And then these lines are showing this way. You can make them black, or dark ones, and click OK. So you can see that it's looking unique now. Yeah, pro. Looking pro, as a pro that you are, yeah, and your work should be like this. It's coming out clean now. It's looking clean and neat. Okay, so this is the window, and if this thing looks too small, you can still expand it. This is 100 actually. Okay, all right, so the next thing to do right now is another window. So let's make these ones like, let's make it like okay, let's say like two windows here since it's the entrance. So still click on your first floor, sorry, not first floor, on your first story, and then this time around still the same window. Click here, go inside, and let's say we're still going to pick this same window. Okay, but this time around now, instead of 2000, we're making it 600. 600 by 2000. It's not big actually, it's fine. All right, my eyes getting dim. No, I'm back. So now let's click from here. This is actually the center. This is the center, yeah. So let's put one here and the other one here. I don't want them to be too far. So let's check our 3D and see how it's looking like. Okay, it's fine, but it's looking a bit far. Okay. Is it okay by you? If it's fine by you, just drop it on the comment section. That is okay like this. It's okay like this. Okay. It looks like it's too far for me. I don't know. Thank God we're doing it together. So should I leave it like this, or I should, you know, since it's a bedroom, there will be a door here. So let's see how this one is looking like now. Yeah, I think it's okay like that. I don't know, but if you think it's fine like that, I believe it's okay like this. So there'll be a door here. All right. So now, yeah, now you can do that on this one too. Just click the two windows, go inside under this basic window setting, click on this one, and then under model attributes, change this one to black, to dark color, to black color, this one to blue, and then this one search, change it to metal iron, this one metal iron, this one metal iron, this one metal iron, and then click OK. So you can see everything now is out, coming out there. Okay, so let's just finish putting the windows. Let's quickly do that without wasting time. Right, there's a store here. It would be nice for us to just leave this place empty. I want to select the same window, so I'll just pick this name, pick up parameters. I'll click on this pick up parameters. Okay, and then I'll just pick what we have there. This is the store, and at the same time this is the approach view. It will not be bad, and since the store is big, it will not be bad if you have two windows here. Right, and for the kitchen, let's have one. I have one here, but we're going to open up this one. Instead of 600, let's make this one 1200. It's better that way. This is kitchen, and there'll be a door here, a door here. Okay, and for the bedrooms, okay, for the bedrooms, same thing, 2 2 2 2. Oh, this is too far. We have one here. These windows are very high, like I mean high, the length. Okay, so this is 2000 by 600, 2000 by 600. We can have them two here, and then one this side. Okay, we can have them two here, one here, and two inside. And then, okay, let's check the. No, we need to have this one. Okay, one is okay. Let's check 3D. 3D. You can see the work is coming out, right? Yeah. Toilet. Sorry, kitchen window. And this side, we also have other windows here. Okay. 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 So now let's work on our doors. Doors. Yeah. Doors. Same thing. Go back to your first story. Go back to first story. This windows placement actually depends on how you're going to arrange your bed. Okay, if I'm having one head of bed here, facing this side, my wardrobe here, then these windows actually need to come down a bit. Okay, like here, then this one here. Yep, we have enough space for this one. Bed head here, wardrobe here. Okay, TV, TV. All right. It's remaining the toilet windows actually. Toilet windows. So we can click this one. Okay, you can click this one, then this time around instead of 450 we'll make this one 500. I'm sorry, 1500 CO, window CO, because the toilet window. And this time around the height, let's make it 600 too. Okay, so we'll paste this one here, paste this one here, here. Okay, so that means these two rooms are sharing. Okay, existing building, you know. So now the next thing is Okay, yeah, it's our doors. Let's work on our doors. Let's just take a look at what we have now. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. So let's work on our doors now. Doors now. So make sure you go back to your story. Okay. Click on door. This is door. Click on door settings. And then for the entrance door, we're making use of double door now. Double hung, single swing door. Single swing, double hung door. Yeah, anyone you want to pick. So let's say this one, double door. Alright, instead of 1.5 we make it 1,200, and then the height 2,100, still same thing. Alright, so let's say I just pray that this thing is that big. Oh, thank God. Okay, let's open it to the side. The big door to here, the big door to here, the big door to here. Okay, big door to here. We are doing this together. If you have anything, suggestion, please drop it on the comment section. Alright, so let's check our door. Let's see what we have. Okay, okay. It's not be bad if we have this height as 2,200, but except it's going to be, and they'll fabricate the door here, or just need to order based on that height. But shall let's go with this one. Still cool. Still cool. Okay, let's work on the inside ones first. Don't forget stretch. Okay, stretch on this one. Let's take it inside. I'll actually do research on that door, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, if you're in the next tutorial, I'll work on doors. So I can see a reason of, can see I have a reason of doing that now, because door one full around. All right. So the next thing, 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 the next thing. Okay. All right, select door. Let's pick single door this time around. Let's see, single door. The width, okay, 900 with 100. Yeah, this one's are cool. And let's change. Let's see door grid. This should work. Alright, and door handle, let's pick this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, now for this room, there's one door here. For this other room, another door. For this kitchen, nope, the door should be here. Yeah, the door should be here, because there will be another one outside. Oh. Alright, for this other one, 900. Yeah, in case there are bigger things. So let's take this one here. So now, okay, since there are two windows, you can actually light up this point, even though I would have preferred here. Okay, so the next thing is the toilet windows, toilet doors. Let's first of all assign this one to here. Alright, so if you want to put your toilet door, let's change this one to 750. Okay, 750. So this one now will be here. Alright, and then this one will be here. Okay, so for this opening, let's see if we can change this. Yeah, and then we'll use lines. Except you're modeling interior, that's the only time. If there's need of modeling interior, if need be, that means I'll have to work on this particular point. Okay, alright. So these are the basic things I think we've done. Yeah, it does, and the rest. So let's see. I just hope, sure, that this one should have handle. I don't know, something is really wrong with this doors. There's something I've not done, actually. There's something I've not done. something up. You can see I didn't really pay much attention on the inside one. But there will be a need for slab, okay? There will be a need for slab. If you need slab, let's pick this one. Let's pick up to, and then this time around remove it from rectangular and let's take it all around. It's like tiling work. Like tiling work, tiling work, tiling work. Okay, we're almost there. So here now. So if you check our 3D now, you can see we have this one's intact. So I will say let's work on, no, but before then, there's one more thing we need to do. Okay, one more thing we need to do. We're picking this slab for that. Yeah. So we're taking from here. Oh, sorry, we need to come back to rectangular. We're picking from here to here, and then we're typing in the height. This one is 50, 1100. Let's see, 1100, 100. No, it's too much. 1100, yeah. Same thing, we're picking this one from here to this side. Oh, forgot to tap control please, and then click this one here. Alright, so now we're going to offset these ones. Alright, offset H 50. We can even make it 2. Okay, pick this one from here to up, tap control once, offset this one inward 50, here 50, here 50, the other side 50. So this one outside 50, this side 50, this one 50. Okay, and the back to 50. Okay, you can see what we have here now. And then same thing this side. This is actually a very simple design, like very simple, right? So this one now, oh, forgot to tap control. So you take this one inside 50, take this one 50, take this one 50, take this one 50, this one outside 50. Make sure it's on this offset edge, otherwise this is your 50, you will not see it. 50, take this one 50. I hope I've not done that before. Let me cross check. Okay, take this one 50, and back to this one 50. Okay, okay. So there's one more thing we need to do, and we call it first step roundup. First step roundup. Nice one. There's one more thing, and then we'll start working on the concrete fascia. So now click on okay. We need to do one more thing. I would actually like this one to be this inside one, which we do the outside one. Let's just pick slab 2. We'll do it with slab 2. Okay, we're picking from here to here to here. Then we're taking this one up, up, like to here. Okay, and here. I think I need to reduce this one a bit. It's too high. Yep, like to here. Then I'm changing this. I may not be able to actually do that which I want to do with just this one, but you can still maneuver it. There's a way of doing. I want to have two deep lines here. Okay, two deep lines. So I want this one to be like this, and then I'll take this one up with drag. I'll place this one here. I'm sorry, I need to tap Control here, then here again, then the last one. Okay, so this one, I'll bring this one down a little. Nope, I said down like this. I'll take this one down, bring here down, take this one down. I don't want the height to be too much, so this one self will now come, bring this one below here. So these two, you said you need to go up a little, then you go up too. So this one now, this one, I'll take this one inside with 50 too much, let's say 30. Then I'll take this one inside with 30 to 30. So these two now, this and this are going to have light gray. Okay, light gray. Okay. All right, you see the idea, right? Going to have light gray, and then there should be something here from here to this point. Drag. Sorry, Control. Tap Control. Don't worry, you'll soon do something like this until you get used to it. I'm already getting used to it too. So now I'll bring this one outside with let's say 50, yeah. And then the inside now will be let's see, let me just do a small opening for the flowers. Yeah, okay, so everything will not just be out quickly. So this is the entrance. I really wish to do the same thing this side, yeah, this side. So I'll bring out this one outside like this, then I'll tap this one, I'll click here, and I'll add node, insert new node like this. I'll take the node back to this point. Okay, so now this will allow me to drag this other side to this point. I hope we are together. Okay, let me do it on this second one. I'll drag here, align it to this point, then I'll click this blue line as if I want to drag this one. If I drag, it will drag everything, so I'll just click on insert new node, and then I'll take it back to this first point, and then now I can drag this one by clicking on offset H to this point. Don't worry, I'll shift this one later. So now the same thing, I'll highlight this one, bring it here, I'll click here, select new node. I'm actually doing all these things so that if you want to, any design you're doing, you might come across some little things like this. You can use this same idea to work on them. That's why I didn't rush into just, putting windows and doors and roof. Okay, I'm doing most of those these little technical things so that you get used to them. So let me note, and then you can face any design. All right, can face any design. Okay, so now the last one, I'll bring this one here. So this point, this one to need to go inside. So I'll just select this one. I'll create new node back to this line. Then I'll drag here inside like this. Same thing with this line. Do you know I will not save this work? Ah, damn right. So now click here, bring this one inward to this part. Same thing, create new node, light, new node. Then hold down here only, drag this one to this point. Yeah, so now I can now push this one inside and give it 30. Same thing with this one inside and I give it 30. So let's see, what do we have here now? You can see what we have here now. So we're going to have some flowers here. Alright, some flowers here. So I think we're almost done. So the next thing to do now, what should we do now? Alright, now let's work on the concrete fascia from concrete fascia. So after concrete fascia, we'll do the roof and we'll pause here for today. Alright. The next one we'll work on our landscape. Okay. We'll work on our landscape on our next tutorial. But I still need to work on this door. On our next tutorial, yeah. I need to work on this door because I don't know what's really happening. I need to work on this door. So now let's work on our concrete fascia. Click on your options. So under option you will see complex profile. Okay, so on complex profile, move your cursor to this profile manager. Click on profile manager. This is the first thing that will come up. All right, which is what will pop up. So since it's other custom, this new you're seeing, click on this plus sign and then type in the name of that particular profile you want to create so you don't forget. So let's say class fascia. Let me make it capital letter. Class fascia. Okay, let's say class fascia and then click OK. Alright, so now instead of wall, make sure you click on this beam. Okay, put it under beam, and now you can see we have a sign here. This point you're seeing, this way I'm going to draw this particular fascia. Okay, so now click on line, this line, right? You can only see that on that document. Okay, so click on line. So from line now click here, let's design that particular fascia. Okay, let's design the fascia. Let's take it this way. The height, let's say 300. Okay, let's say 350, not bad. Okay, so 350, and let's start from down. Actually, let's give this one 300. 300. Okay, 300. Let's take here and give here 50. 300. Okay, 50. Okay, then let's give here 200. 200. Nope, the line is not straight. Let's give it 200. Then let's give here 100. 100. Then 50. 50. Then the rest we'll just align it with it. hope it's not too big. So on the norms, if it's during construction, they will just chamfer it this way. Okay, chamfer it this way. Alright, 300, 300. Okay, so let's take it like this. Let's take it like this. But in construction, it's not going to be this thick. Okay, we'll just chamfer it like this. Like this. That's all. I will just take it down like this. Chamfer it like this. So now we need to fill in this space. This thing looks too simple. Okay, I don't need something simple, Sha. Now we need to fill in this space, and we do that by clicking on fill tool. Hold down your spacebar button. Once you click on fill tool, bring your cursor here, hold down your spacebar button and click inside. Okay, and click inside, and then under modify width stretch, top stretch, that one need to be checked. Okay, and okay, for the material, there's something called internal filler. This white material is cool. You can use it for your white to make sure that you're selecting white. Okay, and then save. And that's all. Just save. Once you save, you can now close. But don't forget the name. The name is class feature. Okay, so click close. Now if you click on your beam, alright, you go to beam settings. Under segment, let's see, click segment. Yeah, under segment, you will see first of all, it will be like this. So click on this first one. Then here now will permit you to select that thing you're looking for. So we need class feature. Look at class feature here. We also have another concrete feature here, but this one is class feature. So let's click on class feature. Click OK. Okay. Oh, let's turn this like this. Where should we start from? This is looking tiny. Okay, let's see how it's going to come out. Like, this material is not okay. Let me see. Maybe it's something we can adjust. Fine. Okay. We need to adjust this feature. Or let's just make use of this. Okay, let's make use of it. Let's make use of it. But for the material, this material, let's go inside and see if we can adjust this material. We can adjust this material. We can adjust this material. That would be good though. So let's see, white paint, and then okay. So let's see, we can adjust this material to be nice. Okay, so we're going there. We are getting there. We're getting there. Okay, same thing. Pick the point. As you're moving, it's going to be chamfer, like it's going to be trimming itself. It's going to be joining. So you don't worry about joining them. Just keep moving that your point. Okay, like this. Like this. Another interesting part I would like you guys to pay close attention to is the roof. Yeah, I believe the roof is going to be very, very nice. Like very, very nice. Very, very. I'm using orbit, okay, to rotate. Orbit to rotate. That's what I'm doing. To rotate so I can see that particular point and pick him. Okay. Orbit. I'm using orbit to rotate. Alright. So if you check now, you'll see that okay, you can see that our building now. It's just kind of simple, unique building. Okay, simple and unique. Just simple. Okay. Now there's something we need to add here. Okay, there's something we need to add here. But before then, since we can already see our wall, sorry, our windows, is it window? Sorry. Since we can see our door, so now we can shift these ones to this side. Okay, because of that thing I'm about to do now. So now we're going to have, I'll be using slab for that. I'll just change the material to steel. Where is steel? Metal steel. Okay, so I'll pick this one. I'll just take it like this. I'll make here 50 by 50 by 50 by 50. Nail it. So once I hold here, I take this one up to this point. Yeah, instead of using hand ray, though you can still use hand ray if you like hand ray, but this is what we'll be using. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply this one. So click here, click on one of the lid and select multiply. I will not touch anything, it's just okay. Then I'll click from here, that same point. So here I want the openings to be something like this, not too wide. So once I click here and I keep dragging, it's going to keep coming out that way. So this is where our window stopped. So I'm going to keep this one like this here and I'll click OK. So you can see we have something like this now on this building. Alright, the same thing we're going to have on this other end. On this other end. So I can decide to either create the same thing or I can, let me see if I can just group everything together. And I'll just click these ones, and let's connect. There's a 2-point edit element. I'll select connect image. Okay, can we merge them together? I think I need to do a study on that. So now I'll take this one. Let me just do it. You know, there are many ways of doing things. Especially tap, don't forget to tap your control, okay? So I'll just pick this point. Same thing, I'll click on this one and then click on multiply, click OK, and then pick the same point again. Just bring it forward a little. That's all. I'll just keep dragging. No time. I'll click there as well. So I have this one too. I have this one too, and I have the other sides too. But I think there's something I missed. I need to take this one inside. It's too outside. Okay. So let me take it a bit inside to show the recess. So please pay attention. Don't forget when you're multiplying, it's just to click once. Don't press any other thing again. So I'll take from here to here. That is 100, almost 100. Then I'll keep dragging. Keep dragging. So we have this one like this. And this one like this. Okay. I think this is the main thing. The next thing now is the roof. Okay. Let's work on the roof. This is actually a very simple design. Okay. Simple but unique at the same time. So, and the roof, we'll be using a special roof material. Let me save again. Don't forget, anytime you're working, always remember to save. Okay. So, let's make use of this one. pitch roof. Let's make use of this one. Double click, and then let's do just a little settings. Thickness 25 is okay, and offset, offset. Let's go with 50, and angle 35. 45 is too much. Let's just go with 40, and then we'll click OK. So now I'm not using rectangular. I'll use this one because the building is not square. You understand? So I'll pick from here to here to here to here to here to here. Alright, to here to here to this side, like this and like this. Boom. Now this is our roof. You can see that building we started. Wow, this is cool. You can see the building came out. Yeah, nice. Came out nice. Okay. All right. Mind you, during construction, there should be water outlets here. Okay. So any water that comes in here can go down, and at the same time, there'll be sorry though, but I'll still have gutters. Okay. So now let's change to that particular unique roof that I'm talking about. But don't you think we should have? Yeah, don't you think we should have something like a little gable end here? Yeah, gable end. So let's just quickly create that. Okay. I feel like it would be nice if we do that. Okay. So at the same time, for those of us that have not watched those tutorials, can actually learn from here too. Okay. Can actually learn from here. So now we are picking this one. First of all, I need to explode this roof. Split into single segment, split anyway, and then suspend group. If I don't suspend group, I need to suspend group. Otherwise, I'll still have these faces. Yeah, so now I've suspended this group. So the first thing to do now is let's draw a line. Okay, let's draw a line here. Draw a line here, and then let's click on this one. Now we're creating a new node. So we'll drag this node to this point where this one is, and then we'll drag this one down to this middle point. Okay, same thing, we create this one, we create new node, you click on the line, you select this new node, bring it down to this point, click, then you hold the original node down to this point. Okay, so let's see our 3D now. There should be an opening now. Yep, so this is the opening. Okay, yeah, this is the opening, just a little one. That's the opening. So now the next thing to do is I don't want to drag down this one. Yeah, this one should be like this. Okay, let's cover here now. How do we cover here now? We can cover here by using, first of all, let's go back to that point. Yep. So go inside under design, select this object. So under object, you'll see louvers. So this is louvers. Okay, louvers and headers. Select this one, this particular one, this vertical one. And for the height, let's make it 4,300. Okay, it's cool. We can stretch it later though if we're not seeing what we want. Now click this one here, and then click here, stretch this point, stretch here. Look at stretch here, move node, while this one is drag. If you click on drag, it will move everything. So bring this one here, hold down this one, take this one back. Believe me, this roof is going to be very, very interesting. Okay, very, very interesting. It's going to look nice. So just pay close attention, okay? Now let's check our 3D to see if it's down, that means we need to drag it up. So this is it now. So we need to take this one up, okay? Do that by clicking on any of the nodes here, and there should be stretch now. Stretch height, yeah. Stretch height. Just stretch it above that particular roof. Stretch it above the roof. And then now select this two plus this one. Right click. Under connect, you say trim to roof. Trim. Yep. So we have this now. Okay. This our building is coming out though. Alright, so now we can now proceed. You can see that all these things are on their own. You get, so it's because we suspended this group. So now let's remove the group. So once you click on the roof, you're clicking everything at the same time. Alright. Alright. So now let's do the magic now. Okay. So click on the roof. Please make sure you have card image, okay? I've made a video on how to install card image, and I've created a group, a WhatsApp group, where you can actually join directly from that particular video. If you have any challenges, just send me a message on that group. We can discuss, and I can answer some few questions on how we can see that we get to install card image in your system. Okay, so just please click on that particular video. Just go down on the videos, you will see, or I'll connect the link to this video. Okay, so you can easily see the video. All right, so let's proceed. So click on card image, come to covering. All right, come to covering. Under covering, select roof covering, and then let's go back to the site. What we are looking for is the roof material. Okay, the roof material. So these are custom settings. This is roof tiles. So we're removing it from this one. There's Spanish. So this is what we're using. Spanish tiles. This is serious. Yeah. Spanish tiles is what we're using. And then let's go back to our concrete fascia. It's the same Spanish, that same curved, this one. No, not this one. There's one here. Yeah, the same one is always also easy. And for the roof material, okay, we can change that. We can change the color later during the rendering. Okay. And should I say yellow? Yellow would have been nice. So, but let's just go with this one first and see. And click OK. Let's see what is going to come out. It's loading. I can't wait. So let's see. All right. So you can see. Okay. This is the Spanish tiles. This is the Spanish tiles. Is there something we are missing? Why is this one like this? We try to do. Okay, so it's still inside the gutter. Alright, so we have our gutter, we have this one, we have our Spanish tiles, and we have our roof already. You can see this thing looks too much. I think we need to set something. CI2 covering, under roof covering. The span is looking too big. It's not showing like Spanish, it's showing like something else. A is from 1 to 450, B is 18, C from here to here, C is 300. No wonder 300 is too much. Let's see 200. 200. Should be here. So the curve 200 from here to here. From here to here, it's still too big. 150 is okay. So let's go with 150. 150. Let's try 150 and see. Okay, let's see how 150 is going to come out like. I just hope that my voice is not too low. So let's see how 150 will come out like. Okay, 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 okay. It's loading. It's loading. I can't wait. Should I fast forward this point? No, let's just watch. Yup, 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 yup. So this one now is okay. This is 150. You can see those curves now, they are coming out. Those curves are outside, outside, outside. Okay. And for this one, the concrete fascia, sorry, the ridge cap. For the ridge cap, showing somehow, or should we use step ties? No, let's use Spanish ties. It's better. Spanish ties. All right, so now let's bring out um our gutter. Okay, let's bring out our gutter. So this is our gutter here, the first one. This is our gutter here. Okay, so we need to drag this one down. To drag this one down to this point. So from here now, and then we need to curve the mouth. We need to curve the mouth. Now we need to take this one down a little. Grab a little. So while it's raining, this water can be going out. The flowers are actually going to come up here. Okay. So all these ones, that one is not a problem. And since this one is too far from, we can drag this one inside. Yep, inside. Please pay close attention. But this one is a bit sensitive. Okay. All right. So we have one. We have one now. Which other one do we need now? Again. Okay. 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 So let's take this one up. Then let's just make this one. Let's take this one up. Drag. Tap control. This will serve as as our ceiling. Okay. It will serve as our ceiling. So let me take it up. I don't want to go into too much design. Okay. Not too much design, just a little something. Yeah, I need to take this one inside too. Then we can change this material. Can change this material to white materials. Okay, so this is it. That's inside Spanish ties. Ah, okay. Please do well to install your card image, okay? You'll actually enjoy this. We are changing it instead of dark color. This will actually be um will actually be, let's say, brown. It will be brown color. Brown color. So what next will we do? We're almost done. Okay, let's just model the site. Should we do the site? If you're okay about us doing the site, fine. We'll just quickly do something simple. Then we'll call it a day. Alright, so let's quickly model just a simple site. Okay, just a simple site. Let's save this one. Simple site. Okay. Let's take slab and change the thickness to 10. Okay, change to 10 and change this one to, let's use earth brown. Let's take from here, sorry, rectangular, from here to here, from here to here, and then let's take this one backward a little. Then we'll take this one to this side. Okay, I don't want us to model much things, just small, please. Small. So now let's just create a wall. Just a wall from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. Nothing more. Okay, and for the slab, let's create opening. Let's say this one will be our green area. So let's create another one. This one now will be let this one be concrete. Okay, from here to here, concrete. But before then, we need to move this one backward. Then our concrete now can now extend to this point. So we are changing this one to green area. That's grass. Grass brown, grass green. Click OK. Check our 3D. This is our 3D now. Okay, so our 3D. So we can extend these ones if they are too far. I'm not going deep into the site. I've done a tutorial on site, so I just want a space that I can capture. I'll stretch this one to this side, stretch this one to this side. Okay, all right. So now I need to lift this one up to a little. All right, 2000. Height. So, mind you, if you don't hold the node, it's not going to come up. Okay, so make sure you always select the node. You can align it, or you still type in the figure. Okay, or you still type in the figure. So we take this one straight to this point. Okay, so now I think we need to bring down this. We need to bring down this. Yep, this is it. Let's bring it out. Okay, take this part down. There. Then take this one up. Let this one go inside here. and if it's not touching the wall, just click on this one and drag this one inside. You can do it with your shift key, right? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, hold on your shift key and drag this one inside. Let's cross check. It's too much. It's too much. I need a better view for this. Better angle. Mhm. So this one is okay. Right, this one is okay. Okay. But I need to bring this part down. It's too high. It's too high. Mhm. Alright. So left with this side. It would be nice if I drag one here. All these things are just, just trying to make it look realistic, you know. So there is need for all these things. Okay, so I'll click on this one. This one is too inside. I'll bring it outside. To be a better angle. Better angle. Better angle. Better angle. Better angle. This is still inside. So I think I need to bring this one down. Yeah, down. Then bring out this one. What is really happening? Okay, come outside a little bit. Let's see. Okay, 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 okay. Something is actually wrong with this one. This one, something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Let me see if I can rectify this. Okay, so this one now, let's bring it out a bit and see if it's really going to show. Because why would it cough? Let me keep it outside and see. Okay, now let's call you back to your rightful place. Alright, so let's go here and let's call it this way. That's something with software sometimes. So what you do in a short while sometimes might take you some time. You'll be wondering like what's happening. Let me see. Can I really figure it out from here? Hmm. This is not a good angle. Let's see here. What's going on? Why is this thing buried inside? And it's not touching anything. So I think, you know what, let's just remove this and then pick it again. Let's remove it and pick it again. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So we pick it from this side. Hope it's going to come out well. Let's see from here. Okay, let's pick it from here and see. You better come out well. Okay, the issue is not really from the system. I don't know, but maybe when we refresh it, I believe this one will come out clean. Okay, so for the model, we're stopping here. Yeah, we're stopping here. Then I'm taking it to rendering software to render it now. Okay, I'm taking it to a rendering software. But before then, I feel like I just need to do something very, very quick. Okay, I need to create a note here. Alright, a note here, a note here, a note here. And then I really want to drag this point. Let it be like what is kind of separating the colors. Let's see, 50. I'll still create another note here. Another note here. Please learn this, okay? To make your work very fast. If you know how to use Slab very well, there are a lot of things that you save yourself time going to create. Okay. Alright, so let me take this one higher a little bit because this paint is still showing. So I'll just increase the thickness a little bit. Alright, so we started like a joke, but we've done something. Yeah, we've done something nice actually. We've done something nice. We've done something nice. Yep, yep, yep. And if I want to create that same thing, then I don't want to go into long processes. I can just pick this one, tap Control, right? Paste it here. And then I'll reduce this one down to this point, and then I'll still hold down this same point, this blue you're seeing. Then I'll drag this one down to here, to here. I can still bring this one to here. No, not drag this stretch. I'll drag this one, offset this one to this point. So you can see that those things are still intact. Okay. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. If you've come this far, I really, really love you. Thank you for being this patient and thank you for the journey because we actually did this together, right? We did this together. Okay, so thank you. See you on our next tutorial.